As Christians, we follow Jesus, who declared that his kingdom is here on earth as in heaven. So what does it look like to follow the Jesus of compassion, of restoration, of justice in the public square, in the decisions we make together as a society? That question sits at the heart of thriving in this land. This 3-part resource is designed to help your faith community join the dots between following Jesus and some of the big issues New Zealand is facing. When the noise of social media and politics can be so loud and angry, this is an opportunity to move beyond headlines and sound bites and to sit around the table with your faith community to pray, to listen deeply, to find common ground, and to seek the common good. Because we live in troubled times. Hundreds of thousands of families are struggling to make ends meet. Our climate is becoming more unstable, and a generation of work to repair broken promises and restore relationships under the Treaty of Waitangi is under real threat. Right now, we have an opportunity to explore some of the big issues of our time in this land and consider how God is calling us to respond.
The table talk conversation was an excellent resource in that it enabled us to open that conversation.
The material was very engaging for people, and so people were happy to sit there and had lots of questions.
It was this really beautiful, relaxed setting where we kind of gathered around Kai.
And then we came out of it with a much clearer sense of what it means to live in this land, what it means to acknowledge its history, and what it means to work towards justice in the future.
Across 3 90-minute open and collaborative sessions, we invite your faith community or church to be curious together, exploring how, as a nation, we can address poverty and the cost of living, responding to our unstable climate and honouring the treaty. You'll engage with theology and hear from experts and people on the ground. You'll be able to imagine and discuss how to work towards a nation where everyone has enough, our earth is protected, and our promises are kept. Whether around a church table or a living room with friends, this is an opportunity to follow Jesus towards thriving in this land together. Head to commongrace.nz/thriving to learn more.